I promise if you memorize these 60 ultimate road signs, success on your driving test is a done deal. Okay, let's get into it. Let's start with this simple one. Exactly, that is a no stopping sign. No U-turns. Give way. This is a common one. What does it tell drivers? Correct. It is the pedestrians ahead sign. Parking place. No waiting. Look carefully. Recognize this one? You got it. We call this a stop sign. Traffic signals ahead. No entry. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Good observation. This means minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. No right turn. Zebra crossing. Does this sign look familiar? Nicely recognized. That's a steep ascent sign. Bend to right. Two-way traffic. Spot this one. What could it be referring to? Nice work. This marks a children going to school area. T-junction. Warning sign. This sign often confuses test takers. Can you tell what it stands for? Well spotted. This means accompanied horses. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Roundabout. Looks simple, but it's tricky. What message is this sign giving? Well noticed. This shows no overtaking. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Uneven road. You've probably seen this before. What does it mean? Good eye. That's a slippery road. Steep descent. Road narrows on both sides. Take a close look. What does this sign warn you about? Great work. That's a roadworks sign. Wild animals? One-way traffic. Let's see if you know this one. You're right, this means national speed limit applies. Good catch. This is an end of dual carriageway. Low-flying aircraft. Look carefully. Recognize this one? You nailed it. This marks a tunnel sign. Soft verges. Hump bridge. Here's a tricky one. What does this sign indicate? Nicely done. That's a crossroads sign. Excellent. That's a side road. Falling rocks. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? Well spotted. This means traffic queues likely ahead. Height restriction. Horse-drawn vehicles. Here's a common one. Do you know what it stands for? Perfect. This is a staggered junction. Side winds. Motor vehicles prohibited. Can you figure out the meaning of this traffic sign? Exactly. This sign warns of a riverbank or quayside. Opening or swing bridge. Pedestrians prohibited. This one is really important. What does it communicate? Good catch. That's a watercourse alongside road. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Low-flying helicopters. Here's one that might test you. What does it stand for? You got it? We call this a crossbuck. Worded warning. Mini roundabout. This one's interesting. What does it mean? Excellent awareness. This warns of sheep in the area. Agricultural vehicles. Cattle. Have you seen this road sign before? Well done. This marks a no-through road. tourist information. Loose chippings. And that wraps up today's session. If you want to keep preparing for your driving test, hit subscribe for weekly driving tips, guides, and study materials. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning, keep practicing, and good luck on your test.